Learn how to create an indie animated film. Welcome to Tutorial Tuesday. This video is about me explaining the format of every tutorial, so it will be the most understandable tutorial I can ever produce. I call this format as the 4 questions. I will answer the 4 questions for you to understand the tutorial better. First, the question what. I will explain about what I know to the tutorial. It is simply, what is the tutorial? What will the tutorial do to the film? What is it used for in filming? The next question is why. I want you to understand what is the purpose of the tutorial. Example, why should you do the tutorial? Why should it be done to the film? Why it should be used in filming? Followed by the question how. I will give examples on how to do the film. Now that you know the whys, the hows will be easier. Another example, how will you do the tutorial? How will the tutorial be done in the film? How will the tutorial be used in filming? And lastly, the question when. Sometimes it will be when, sometimes it will be where. Yet I will give all the possible times or places to do the film. For the last example, when to do the tutorial, when it should be done in the film, when it should be used in filming. Next Tuesday, I will post the tutorial that will be using the 4 question format.